Hello, and welcome back to another episode of This with That, where I'm going to be shooting this with that. Let's begin. Why did I dump those out of my hand? A stupid fly. Hang on a second. I should have done this before I started. I'm sorry. Dang it. Stupid. Safe's on. Rack it back. Do the little slap thing. Alright. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Oh, magazine fell out. What the heck? How'd that happen? Oh, I got my pants dirty. Okay, safe's on. Pull it back, do the little slap thing. Okay, safe. Okay, here we go. Did I hit it? Man, how many times did I shoot? Oh no, where's the ammo? Daggone, I put the ammo over there. 12. We're gonna do that again. Okay, mag is in. We are ready to go. Where's this thing hitting? I think I missed all of those too. Don't forget the ammo this time. Upon further inspection, I think I'll hit it a couple more times. Oh, dang it. Oh, come on. Oh, I didn't do the slap thing. Maybe that works now. It worked that time. Well, as you can tell here, this is my first take, and I hit it every time with that. That's the end. Thanks for watching another episode of This with That, where I shoot this with that. Don't forget to subscribe for the next episode. Bonus clip, I'm going to be shooting this in the tone of Jingle Bells in August. Thanks for watching.